BJP Manipur Pradesh says core committee of the party found out that the traditional boundary line of Manipur on Indo-Myanmar border is not being maintained. Unknown individual set Office of Assistant Director of Sports Manipur University on fire amidst university's current crisis. And third anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood observed. JCLPS announces renewed steer if government fails to pass ILPS bill at monsoon assembly session. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news till this hour. First up, BJP Manipur Pradesh has intimated that the representatives of core committee, BJP Manipur Pradesh, found out that the traditional boundary line of Manipur on Indo-Myanmar border is not being maintained when they paid an inspection visit regarding the land controversy between India and Myanmar yesterday. The party assured that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Rajnath will be intimated about the same to maintain the boundary. Speaking to media person at BJP office today, former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, M. Bharat said, a 73-member team, including former president of the party, Santi Kumar Sharma, Dr. Bharat, Vice President, Jotin Waikhom, General Secretary, Administration, K. Sarat Kumar, and members of Yuba Morcha paid an inspection visit on the Indo-Myanmar border to take stock of the encroachment issue. He stated that the team also held a meeting with the villagers of Kwatha village and listened to their plights and opinions. Bharat intimated that the villagers expressed disappointment that the government neglected the land controversy on the border, which existed for a long time, and that according to the villagers, the traditional boundary line could not be maintained as the flag hoisted by the villagers on Manipur site was removed by Myanmar.
Burmagi nan hairi se masi kaya yam na changila abno haib se koi jo haibing amdre adu mamang da di sumai ton lerum de mo yam changila khre adu som dana nakal lamorom dana som gi siso hana di koi Manipur gi lam oram bani adu chai taramuki mamang da gi Burma na changila yarga rubber pambi thajin dana hojik rubber pambi mayam ma u fangi sini na moi hai aduna megmon line gi wafam jim leite the traditional border and the line Jim Late. Masi the same with the Masidi Lapam talk prime.
Speaking to media person, a media coordinator of BJP, Chidananda, maintained that the lapse of the understanding in between the high-power delegation team led by Revenue Minister Karam Sham and the villagers of Kwatha during the sport inquiry were also breached by the group of BJP representatives by interacting with them and clarify their confusion. After reaching Imphal, the team submitted the reports of their inspection to Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren and Party President K.S.H. Vavananda without delay. Stressing the need to maintain a traditional boundary line before resolving the land dispute, he said the party is prepared to table the report during the Parliament session.
Hayeng Pawi Manunda, Koi report sem Saba Loire, Koi Kutala reports, reports Koi party winner. Yaholagani, Mana, I Prime Minister Office, Home Minister Office, Lorena, I Manipur Sarkar Minister Su, Kwenarang Warisha, Dugi Matakta, Aibo in a Su, report a Sekoi, Pishalagani, Atu Matamda, Tabok Paikatlaga, Magi Marila Neriba Ministry, External Affairs, Amadi, Home Affairs, Animak, I consent to Viraga, Ladiba Problemasi, Atu Matamda, Madugi Solutionama, Bobiraknaba Haidana. Akoi madugi haipam thokpa madugi thampham thokwa wafam ase akoi madugi preparation tobo loire nungju gi mifam parliament rai sabha gi akoi gi nahansu akoi haire border gi wafam puthokani haidana akoi ngarang chaluri report asimak Bharatiya Janata Party gi core committee gi mi hum yawba vice president ani yawba tu kai khum najariba general secretary sar jaw chaliriba report asima akoi parliament da masi akoi puthokna bagi damakta madugi thorang su akoi loire.
Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Council has alleged that the central government gave away land of Manipur to coax Myanmar to drive out insurgents from India, and that land of Manipur is being compromised because of the indifference of the state and the central government. Speaking to media person at Irawat Bhavan today, State Secretary of the party, Laishram Sotin Kumar, condemned the statement of Chairman of High Power Committee on Indo-Myanmar Border Pillar number 81 at Kwata Kuno and Revenue Minister Karam Sham that the pillar was installed 30 to 40 years ago. He demanded the minister to clarify for blaming the villages by making baseless statement, stating that the High Power Committee's inspection of the border pillar is not satisfactory. Sotin Kumar maintained that other than installing secondary wooden fences on the border area, More Gate number 1 and 2, including other areas, remained neglected. He said the ones who are defending the territory of the state are the villagers of Kwata and not the state or central government or the Assam Rifles. Sotin Kumar maintained that India is ready to wage war over China and Pakistan over an insignificant area of land, but its disregards towards Manipur's issue has prompted Myanmar to encroach upon Manipur's land. He alleged that the state government, overwhelmed with power and money, not only neglects the state's governance, but also is incapable of resolving various issues prevailing in the state at present. The party state secretary further asserted that CPI stands firm in protecting the territory of the state and that the party, in collaboration with CSOs and student organizations, are ready to counter any element that threatens the territorial integrity of the state.
Myanmar se masigi nakshanana mari madu thamnaba yam kanna honari bharotna makhan kya gi resource long honari adugu loinana Myanmar da leriba Lalobu Singh Taktora Honabada Myanmar Sarkar Theme the Honari. Masipuna Muxigi Kudong Sab Lorkanda. Quick lum kilometer Kamang Hivada Baro Sarkar Karim the Toy Mali Communist Party Koi centered up Koi Kongangre Live at the Barot ki Parliament Koi Yam Kinam got Kani state sida lamangbu yopum lai bese masi chap chana thingna gidamak da atai civil society sing political party sing mayam ekoi punmina dana ekoi chap chana fight tawnabugi achoba madugi thabak ya paket kani.
Aggravating the current impasse of Manipur University, unknown individual burnt down the office of Assistant Director of Sports of Manipur University around 11 p.m. last night. Important official documents, including certificates of students, were reportedly destroyed in the fire. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham has closely inspected the site and assured that the government will convene a meeting with representatives of Muta and Musu shortly. The office of the Assistant Director is attached to the indoor stadium of the university, adjacent to Dr. Kamal Indoor Hall. Students at the university witnessed fumes of smoke rising from the office. Eyewitnesses of the incident told a media person that security guards posted in the university took swift measures to contain the fire. However, a team of fire service who arrived much later was able to completely douse the fire. Unfortunately, certificates and medals of students, important documents and office records were completely consumed by the fire. Lamenting at such mishap in the midst of the upheavals in the university, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham appealed concerned individuals not to carry out such misconduct in the future, assuring the students that the crisis will not affect their academic career in any manner. He said the government is giving its best effort to resolve the issue within the next 2 to 3 days.
Stadium Dr. Kamal Indoor Stadium yam kan sana kona na so function kya tawriba university si yam maru oiba stadium si part ama record maru oina certificate medal trophies mayam thamba aduma section na marang mai tharam yamna puning shoning ngai oi satra leiba jaga da police ni changa kol ga tawai se masi tawba ya de na koi CM na so aduga DG na so da koi police ni loina aware oi tawda ya da kana tawbane academic atmosphere kai na ba koi police sangum je na koi tawda na du hojik ti sola bina ngak sen ba property ngak sen mai thabak ti na koi tawgani na.
Manipur University Teachers Association MUTA, Manipur University Students Union MUSU and Manipur University Staff Association MUSA have strongly condemned the untoward conduct of the Manipur police meted out towards students at CM bungalows yesterday and the attempt to burn down the indoor stadium of Manipur University by unknown individual last night. Lamenting that such tragedy occurred at the wake of university crisis, spokesperson of MUTA, Professor Devananda Ningthaujam, denounced the devious conduct by some unknown individual to derail the legitimate, democratic and peaceful movement of the university. He drew the attention of the government to utilize state administrative machineries and investigate the source of the fire, which started from the Office of Assistant Director of Sports. With regard to yesterday's incident at Chief Minister Bungalow, Professor Devananda Ningthaujam told a media person that the faculty community of the university is dismayed at the violent measures resorted by the police personnel towards the students who went to submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding to expedite the declaration of the 6th semester examination result. Speaking further, he said the absence of the registrar in charge, joint registrar and deputy registrar at the site of the arson shows their lack of responsibility. He said the demand of the Manipur University community is to dismiss the VC without further delay and appoint an efficient vice-chancellor in his place. He further proposed of establishing a high-level inquiry committee headed by a retired judge of the High Court or the Supreme Court to investigate the misconducts of the VC during his term in the university. Spokesperson of MUTA further appealed to all the students and the faculties of other institutions, various CSOs, made-up IBs and parent association in the state to support their demand and resolve the issue of the university at the earliest.
BC remove tawagi wathoksigi waroisan ama puraknabagi concrete initiative proposal amaga loinana muta da invite tawiraklabadi akhoi chatnaba sem saduna leidi mayol lam mainstream India da thomba issue oiragadi akhoi wakhaldadi masin nahana sort tawrani hena haujai tha ani phajalakhraba issue sida center dagi concrete initiative background dadi leramba yai lerambdasu yai ai muna khangjade adubu yam thuna initiative central government gi relevant authority haibadi visitors office HRD ministry Prime Minister at the relevant cabinet ministers in the government of India yam thun initiative lowira kadra haina asasu tawjai loinana strongly appeal su tawjari yam nolukna state government dasu yam thuna solution si center dagi puthokpiraknaba pressure pibinaba appeal su tawjai.
The third death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood, who was killed in a popular civil movement for enforcement of inner line permit system or similar law in 2015, was observed at Awaching today. A large number of people, including volunteers of Joint Committee for Inner Line Permit System, JCLPS, Civil Society Organization, Students Organization, Huyen Lalong Thangta team, and family members of the deceased offered a floral tribute at the memorial site of the torch bearer. Speaking to media person, convener of JCLPS, Arjun Talhaiba, expressed hope that the state government will pass ILPS bill in the upcoming monsoon assembly session as per the desire of the people, and stated that JCLPS will continue with their movement if the government acts against the interests of the people. He maintained that the sacrifice of Sapam Robin Hood for the people and the state should not be allowed to go in vain, and that the JCLPS will fight until the popular demand is fulfilled. It may be recalled that Sapam Robin Hood, an 11th student of Ananda Higher Secondary School, sacrificed his life on this very day in 2015.
Robin Hood thakiba thawai se mamal leitaba chamcham banate yelong mi khunai namakta satra mahiro yamoina iho da saruk ya matamda mahak ki laibak sumai thokibani Maramaduna, Mahana Pamjanamba, Mang Ninjanamba, Ado Gasisu, my Bakri, Madunamuta going in a Nabalatana, Shemsari, Miam Pamba Makalgi, Bill Law, Sputokani Habaki Hazaba, Mangasi, Gomegi Makadagi, Piribasa, Yasia Biki Makadagi, Yam Kana section like Yangli, Sarkan step low ribage. Government contents and Mokoina, Shemi proposed below the Yaur Bage, Hybrid Sing Massa, Miamgi, Interesta, Amazing Mitam, Animana, Puna Saminaba Yaba, Piva Madu Yangan, like Billas, I'm going to section.
Two councillors who won Hairok Nagar Panchayat election from Congress party, namely Councillor Thokchom Doren from Hairok Nagar Panchayat Ward number 2 and Councillor Laishram Imam from Ward number 7 have joined BJP Manipur Pradesh. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, including party leaders, welcomed the two councillors at the party office of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nite Park to take today. Speaking on the occasion, Radhesham maintained that people have more faith in the party due to the sincere efforts put in by the members of the party. Chairperson of Hairok Nagar Panchayat, Laishram Nungsi Sana, Vice Chairperson Thokchom Birjit, Councillor of Ward number 1 N. Ramananda and Councillor of Ward number 4 Khundongwam Noyon were also greeted on the occasion. President in charge of BJP Manipur Pradesh Salam Joy, General Secretary Administration K. Sarat Kumar and other party leaders attended the reception program.
BJP के ओम खक लेरम बदगी ngasi di taruk leidana sarkar semjere masi tasengna akoi sira phambiriba manipur pumbagi karmi singna honabiba Hairok mandal karmi singna honabiba amadi delhi de paliba sarkar Narendra Modi sina luchingba sidana akoi honorable CM na lusing liba sarkar aduga President K. Babananda lusing liba somnara Amit Shah na lusing sarkar na kan mo na ga asam mirai na idana
SSUM will organize a torch rally on July 12th and a cease work strike will be carried out from midnight of July 12th to July 13th midnight, demanding justice on 4 issues prevailing in the state at present. President of Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM informed that the strike will not include water and electricity department, religious function and health sectors. Speaking to media person at SSUM office, President N. Sanahal maintained that the protest will be jointly organized by SSUM, Proletarian Feminist Movement Manipur and Socialist Movement Women Association SWA in collaboration with the people of the state. The 4 demands brought forward by the organization are to resolve the Indo-Myanmar border dispute, to disclose the content of ILP bill to the public before passing it in the assembly, to bring justice to Sanjita's Chanu drop case and to look into the justified transfer orders of school teachers prevailing in the state.
SSUM popam swa koi organizer om jiga wakhan manaba organizer mayam jiga punjal laga koi gi lagliba tang July gi tang 33 numit nungdang numidang sida koi gi mairagi rile lama chatkani Manipur gi sin mafam khuding makta mairagi rile ama chakani loinana rile nungalakpa tang 32 sida koi ahing nongyai tang 33 gi ahing nongyai deina tang 32 gi ahing nongyai bokta koi general strike kaugani general strike sida koi mai sing nungchet dharma karma lining laison ana ekti komthok chagani koi kari gi
All Manipur Riflemen Viva Voice completed candidate batch GAC 2016 has called a 48-hour statewide bund against the government's failure to declare the result of the Viva Voice for the recruitment of Manipur Rifles personnel from this midnight. The bund will be relaxed for religious occasions, education and health sector and other essential services. President of the GAC, Laitongtam Kiran Kumar, made the announcement during a press meet at Manipur Press Club today. Kiran Kumar warned of intensifying their agitation if the government still remains indifferent to their demand.
All Manipur was completed candidates sing nang handiki koina sarkar da taksan bima je tet 7 bung da haidok piu haibani donga si pawba khogi warol si tabi tre sarkar na tabi da banina mathangi numit thangno mikup date 8 July gi date 8 sidagi khoi ahing nongyai dagi total shut down tawjargani sarkar na miyeng changbi rakta taragadi makha taba bal na tawba kai
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has inaugurated Sin Suba Sanglen, a multi-purpose hall constructed at an estimated cost of 40 lakh rupees under Local Area Development Fund at Basikong in Thongju constituency today. Speaking on the occasion, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit maintained that development projects in the constituency can be undertaken with ease as there is an increment of 1 crore rupees in the MLA Local Area Development Fund. He said, under the circumstances, even houses can be built under the MLA LADF. Member of Basikong Jilla Parishad, Chirom Romeo, and Pradhan of Basikong Gram Panchayat, Ningombam Binolata, were among those present at the event. Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industry MCCI held a general body meeting at Classic Ground Chingmerom yesterday. Radhesham Oinam has been appointed as the president, Khagemba Sanambam as the vice president, Jotin Thokchom as the general secretary, and Sadananda Maibam as the treasurer of the organization respectively during the meeting. Columnist of Pognofam Daily, Dr. Biswajit Loitongbam also released his book entitled Spoken Chinese in 3 months on the occasion. The new committee members were warmly welcomed and an interaction program was also held on the occasion. Renowned painter and sculptor Aribam Ikanta Sharma was conferred the 4th Governor Art Award at a program held at Manipur State Art Gallery, Konung Lampak, organized by Arts Society Manipur today. Ikanta Sharma is not only the former principal of Imphal Art College but is also the recipient of Governor Art Award 2015, Manipur State Kala Academy Award 1975 and 1976, and also a Manipur Sahitya Parishad Kala Bhushan 2014 awardee. An art exhibition was also launched in connection with the program. Works of Ikanta Sharma are the former recipients of 4 Governor Art Award and members of Art Society were displayed at the exhibition. Family members of the award recipients, representatives of Art Society and many art lovers attended the event. Rotary Club Imphal District 3240 organized a tree plantation program at JNV School, Yarilpad today. More than 1,000 tree saplings were planted around the school on the occasion. The program, organized under the supervision of President of Rotary Club Imphal District 3240, Thingbayam Sudhi Ranjan, was attended by the students, staff of JNV, including volunteers of NCC and MAMBA. Speaking on the occasion, Thingbayam Sudhi Ranjan maintained that the program was organized with the main objective of safeguarding the environment and for a clean Manipur, stating that the program will serve for no purpose if the tree saplings are not taken care of. He appealed the people, especially the school authority, to supervise and nourish them.
aduga mafam sida akoina u tharmi base masi akoi hauna na bagi damakta akoina masi akoi rotary thandana tawradi yam awaba thabak amni ne akoina mamba amadi JNB gi chhatra sing NCC gi student sing moi mayam namteng pangbidana using ji thari si adagi JNB gi akoi gi staff sing na student sing na using je hauna na ba soidana yengjan bigani haibagi wakala musu leijai maramdi akoina u si tharmaga haugi daba targadi akoi gi pandam masi phangde akoi gi pandam di akoi gi mahuksa gi khan kaidarakli ba environmental pollution, environmental degradation asi thingma ngamna na bhona jabani.
NETA Club organized a free health camp for children below 14 years at Kangla Sangomsang Community Hall today. 5 doctors, including pediatricians, checked up altogether 100 children at the camp, where free medicines were also distributed. Health and Education Secretary of NETA Club, Ketrimayum Ishwar Chandra, told a media person that the health camp was organized with an aim to provide good health care facilities to the children who are the future pillars of the society.
Ngasi akoina koi khunjida natana thangnaba khunjida leiriba angang jingji masamu uphana haidi tinjan kayangdana adugumba mission amaka hogulaiba angangi damakta tung yumbiren wagi damakta adugumba mission je changjanjabane masida hujik pokda register torok angang sama help tore aduga laina khudimak makhan khudimak akoi mafam je toi laiba doctor sing si specialist na tan super specialist yauri mak aduna laiba patient ganguzu athapalam khangde adu khangde doctor jingji maming do khoina publicity sapada admaina harau harauna akoina tawbida thuruk ya bi je koju am nungai.
The 3-day training program for Hajj 2018 organized by Manipur State Hajj Committee at Old Guwahati High Court Complex North AOC concluded today. The training program was organized to instruct the norms to be followed while undertaking Hajj pilgrimage. Speaking to media person, chairperson of Manipur Hajj Committee, Muhammad Admin Saha, maintained that 422 Muslims from the state are participating in the religious expedition, which is begin from July 22 or 23rd. He also informed that prior to the expedition, a 2-day medical camp will be also organized on July 9th.
Hujaz mayamda Hajj tawbada ada mi maram chatpanina tawgadaba or tawroidaba because law and order akhoi gamoi yam khena banina akhoi tawgadaba thokna karino tawroidamna karino kadai da sakani kramain tawgani difference mayam sing do moi da takpa aden amaka Hajj tawbagi niyom dharma gi oiba niyom oi pangthokadaba orders mayam si rules mayam si do takpa.
CAD Manipur organized a 1-day seminar on shaping students' prospect in medical career at Imphal Valley Academy, Ghari Makha Lekai today. Speaking on the occasion, Head Admission Cell of CAD Manipur, Laimapokpam Manimohan, stated that the seminar will provide a guidance to students on how to pursue medical line. Medical Superintendent of Jenims, Laishram Ranbir, graced the event as chief guest.
Mapalomda chanariba foundation course Manipurda puraktuna mapalomgi faculty Manipurda puraktuna Manipurda lehenduna yamna ohongba reasonable oiba fees da Manipurda handaki chahi sidagi Imphal Valley Academy da hujokjagani sinjariba coaching center asi hanagi Balmukul Misana former director Akaski magi makhada hangjabani mapalomgi faculty singna club run torakanda laiba Manipur medical experiencing si hena mai pakpa lambi amda chatnabai damukta yamna chawba contribution ama akoi school gi side tagi su aduga coaching institute asigi side tagi su manui damukta tawjari pangthokjari.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh says core committee of the party found out that traditional boundary line of Manipur on Indo-Myanmar border is not being maintained. Unknown individual set Office of Assistant Director of Sports Manipur University on fire amidst university's current crisis. And third death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood observed. JCLPS announces renewed tier if government fails to pass ILPS bill at Monsoon Assembly.